In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 microphone not working. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to check for physical damage on the cables itself. And from there, you also want to make sure that the plug or the USB port is working properly on your computer. From there, let's then head over to the computer or Windows 10 or 11. From here, you want to make sure that you navigate through the microphone or the volume icon, click on the open sound setting, and basically you want to select the microphone, which is going to be on the input section on the SteelSeries Arctis 5. In my case, my SteelSeries is plugged onto the voice meter, which is going to be the main microphone that I'm using right here, as you can see. Now, the next thing that you want to do, if you can see your SteelSeries right here, is to simply navigate through the sound control panel. Inside this page, click on the recording option, scroll down, and once again, you then want to look for this SteelSeries microphone. So in my case, it's going to be the USB condenser microphone, which is going to be this one. You want to click on the set default, click on apply, and click on OK. Right after, head over to the application that you want to use your microphone with. In my case, I'll just use Discord as an example. Click on the options of that specific application, navigate through the voice and video options, and from here you want to make sure that you have selected the Arctis Nova SteelSeries microphone right here. And so, if you have followed the steps correctly, you will be able to fix the SteelSeries Arctis 5 microphone not working. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.